Hello everyone. Once again, it's your Kuya Nikki, and currently we are at the SAIT, the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology, and we're doing our campus tour here. And yeah, it's a very, very beautiful place. Ang ganda po ng SAIT po. Look at the building they have. We're in the middle of the SAIT has been started way back 1916. So ano na po siya? It's more than 100 years. So once again, this is the SAIT. Shout out sa mga international students natin from SAIT. So right now we're here at the campus during our doing our tour as one of their partner. Ito po kasi this is Kuya Nikki, and I'm just enjoy the tour. I think we went over to the sa bookstore and everything. So look at this. They have this Heritage Hall 1921. Yep. So that's where Kuya Mick and Miss Ocean. So we are at SAIT right now, currently doing a virtual tour. So don't worry, limited lang po. Kami lang po yung pina-access na dito. They schedule us to do a campus tour. So these are the job postings eventually for SAIT. Ang ganda po, para siyang ano. These are students' lounge, and they can. This is their study hall, SAIT study hall. So students can really study here. Ang ganda po, tignan niyo po. Para siyang hindi siya regular. Yan. And ito na po yung library nila. As you can see, yung library nila. Yan, andun si Miss Oshi nasa loob. Nagtutour din. Yan. Shout out kay Kuya Mick. He's also here. We're doing our campus tour again for SAIT. And their name is the Trojans, right?
Home of the Trojans.
Home of the Trojans, the SAIT. So once again, shout out sa mga student na Filipino students natin here in SAIT. We're here. We're inside the campus. Unfortunately, the campus is still closed. Hindi pa po siya open. Pero we're lucky enough that they allowed Sun-Cor to get inside and do a virtual tour. Na hinihingal mo sa sobrang laki ng school. Yan. Yun, shout out pala sa mga Arvin, Ethel, chat, thank you for watching. Yun. SAIT again is located in Calgary, Alberta. So right now we are in Calgary, visiting our partner colleges here. So yun, 100 years old na po yung SAIT. Yun, nakakahinga kasi kanina pa kami paikot-ikot. I'm gonna show you yung mga ano nila, other amenities that they have. So aside sa elevator, they have some escalator. I don't even see stairs. Meron sa mga escalator dito. Yun. This is the level 1. Yun, ito yung bookstore nila. Going here. They have a lot of SAIT stuff here. So ito yung parking fee. If you wanna do some pay your parking, load your e-card as well. So these are the bookstore. Yeah, so we can buy a lot of stuff. SAIT, jackets, shirts, bags, mugs. Go the other way. See, I'm just roaming around. Yep, so ito yung mga cafeteria and it's still closed. But what amazed us is yung ano talaga, yung study hall nila is very, very Mhm. Yung mga study hall nila. Yung mga so yung student development and counseling billboard. Hi, hello. So those are the faculties and stuff here in SAIT. So they have some leaflets, health, safety, and wellness services, information. Yeah. So they have this heritage hall, and the classroom, customer service. As you can see, told you, meron po silang escalator po dito. I don't even see stairs, puro escalator po sila. Ayun po, yung aming resident.
Ikaw po kami sa sobrang laki.
Naligaw kayo sa malaki. So yun, may mga students naman sila dito, pero I think these are essential students. Yeah. Ito po, aakyat po kami. Yan. So once again, this is our featured school, partner school namin. This is the SAIT, the Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. It's one of the biggest schools here in Calgary. So ngayon nasa second floor na po kami together with Kuya Mikmik and Miss Oshin. So these are their lockers and room. Yan, may mga locker pala sila dito din. Ayan, nag-take na picture. See how beautiful SAIT is.
Architecture na maganda.
Yeah, it's been 100 years old. Na din eh.
It started 1916.
So pupunta kami dito sa International Department ng SAIT. Ito po yung office, but right now it's closed. Ito po yung International Department. Study abroad, transfer options. One of the international. Yun. Ano pa ba dito meron tayo? Actually, wala kaming tour guide because of COVID restrictions. Pero pinareserve lang namin to sa yung buong tour na sa amin lang yung day na to. Ang kapal ng mga mukha, no? So that's the next building beside the school. Yan. So we're gonna be presenting SAIT in the future. Pina-finalize lang namin yung mga namin paperworks and videos and pictures. I guess we need to go down now. We can let them see what's the facade of the school. Ang ano pa, ang daming parking na, may underground parking pa sila. They have a donation. No? So ito, I think this is a lodge for students also who wanted to. Yeah, Sun-Cor already have a lot of SAIT students. I don't know if it's SAIT or SAIT, but it's an abbreviation of Southern Alberta Institute of Technology. So we're gonna go down. Set up the elevator. Pag ayaw mo mag-elevator, you can do the escalator. Social naman nila dito. Sabi nga, pag ayaw mag-elevator, mag-escalator sila. Pala hindi ka papawisan. Shoutout pala kay Joshua. Pwede po ako manawagan. Yes, pwede po. Sinong nawawala? Yung girlfriend mo? Yung yun. So yeah, so we're about to exit the building. So para mapakita din namin yung facade, yung harap ng building. It's so nice. I'm just using my phone. Siguro next time, GoPro na gagamitin natin. Kasi kaya, siya, magalaw. I think these are offices or residences ata to, bro, no? Or
I think separate.
offices. Yeah.
Admin yata sa...
Meron siyang wedding at SAIT.
Oh, wow.
So yun, so we're gonna go outside na. Ano pangalan niya? Ivy? Yeah. Hi, Ivy. Thanks, Ivy.
Press the red one.
Okay.
Thank you.
Ayun. So ito na po yung building. It's called the Sun-Cor Energy Center. Right. Ito po yung Stan Grant Center. Ang laki po din ng building. Actually, from there, going this way. Ito yung gym nila nandun sa other side. And that's the same. So again, thank you very much for watching, everyone. Okay, punta pa na daw kami doon. So ito pala yung parking spot ng student. Meron din silang underground parking. Meron silang other parking spot where sa students. Yeah. Yeah. We are walking here. Sadya maingay. Yeah. So it's time check. It's 1 p.m. here in Alberta. Specifically in Calgary. Yesterday we went to Edmonton to visit again. We had a tour, one of our partner college, which is the Northwest. And the day before we went to another partner again, which is the Red River College. But today we're going to be doing SAIT. And we're going to confirm if Bow Valley is still open. But if not, we're going to come back. Because right now, as per the admin, the school will be back there, will be open back on August 16th. Oh, nakakahinga na mag-hike. Yun. So ito yun, ito pa yung nilakad namin. Oh, that's cool. This one building, this is another building. This is the automotive center of SAIT. So this is the facade. Ito yung makikita nyo once you enter the campus. Meron po siyang train or they call it subway. This is the west entrance of SAIT. We're just going to the front where kung ano makikita nyo sa highway when you pass by this building. Ayun, naglalakad si Kuya Mikmik siya, si Auntie Ocean niya. The reason why we want to come here because we want to see and feel kung ano talaga meron dito sa Alberta, the life. Pinapatay na daw ako. Okay everyone, see you in our next live. Have a good day.